Cisco Meraki makes our networking easier, more reliable, and 100% secure. My name is Tom Trena. I'm the Business Technology Strategist at JDB Engineering. The problem I was involved with, we had network issues. Okay, we were on older network infrastructure. We had users complaining about performance of workstations, even connections on the phone, which were all routed through our networking system. As we talked about what the challenges were, BIG was able to present a complete solution of hardware and software to help alleviate some of the challenges we were having. What I particularly like about the current Cisco Meraki configuration is the cloud management. It really increases my ability to see what's going on with my network, whether I'm on site or I'm remote. I've been very pleased with the Cisco Meraki solution, and I would have no problem recommending that to other colleagues. Particularly, they're able to bridge the hardware aspect with the software solutions they offer as well. Everything from security and monitoring to the actual performance of the switches. BIG is able to deliver a technology staff that smaller firms would otherwise not be able to afford. The expertise across hardware and software and the IT managed services really allows me to extend a IT support team without adding new hires to my payroll. And it's allowed me to focus more on my strategic initiatives and our core competency of our business using technology instead of supporting technology.